now, that's the adult-friendly side of the island. And to your right is going to be Starfish. That's kids and family. Both sides of the island will have free beach and full access, and all of your beach chairs and umbrellas are free of charge, first come, first serve. Now with your ship cards, you got one complimentary meal on the island. You can either go to the yellow building to your right, that's the food hall, or you can go to any food truck you see. Food options to the left is going to be flavored wings and fries, hamburgers, hot dogs, Philly cheesesteak, chicken sandwiches, and also plum fritters. To your right, you will have your taco bowls, Mediterranean bowls, pizzas, chicken salads, tacos and quesadillas, and also we have donuts and a few more food options as well. All of your souvenir shopping, tours and excursions, taxis, car rentals, and passport stamping is going to be at the back of the Sun Castle at the Pono Cove. That's also where we have our Junk Club Parade at 11 and 1. If y'all don't know what Junk Club is, it's like Carnival or Body Drop. We just wear more clothes. Anyone from Pearl Cove, when we stop, you're going to go to your left to the orange umbrella, and the trams take you directly in front of Pearl Cove, all right?
Okay.
Anybody needs any personal recommendations for venues out here, you got a pink building on your left. It's going to be Mingo's, where you have your live DJ, Summer Bar.
Okay.
And to the left side of the Sun Castle is going to be the Sunshine Swings Bar. Not swingers, all right? No pineapples. Right here at the white canopy is trams back to the ship, and the orange umbrellas will be the trams to take you all around the island.
Okay.
Everybody watch your hands and steps and have an amazing time, all right?
Thank you.
Watch your hands, watch your steps.
Yeah, you go outside the Sun Castle. And you would do it too.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
We just gotta make sure we back up here about that area up here at 11. He said the parade's at 11 and 1.
Okay.
That's the nicest parade.
Oh, I want to take a picture here.
I'm sick of pictures.
It's like closing. It's closing.
Please take a picture.
Come on.
There is no end.
Yes.
I'll keep. Yes, no.
Okay.
Let me see your phone. I'm done the video. I'll let you get it there, take a picture. Go ahead, I got it. We been like taking all this shit off. Go ahead.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
I'm following this.
Put our little stuff down so we can put it by the beach, but I think you have to wait to come back.
Okay. Just one look. That's all it took.
Trying to see if one closer now. Somebody should have walked by. It looked like it was so
How close you want to be?
Huh?
How close you want to be? Here's one here.
Get some ways from
We can open the umbrella. Hello. Oh, look at the swing.